Welcome to Lesson 10 of the free Anxiety Relief course. In this lesson, you'll learn the 10th cognitive distortion, personalization. Personalization is the source of guilt. You assume responsibility for a negative event when there is no basis for doing so. This is like thinking, we lost and it's my fault. Or, my wife is unhappy, I must be causing it. Do you see why that's a cognitive distortion? The guilt comes from assuming that you could control the outcome somehow. But most of the time, we don't have control of the outcome. We only have influence over it. And sometimes we feel guilty for things we don't even have influence of at all. The key to overcome this is to accept that you couldn't control the outcome. Even if you had some influence, there are many other factors that contributed to the result. Let's do an example. Maggie is driving and her car breaks down. She thinks, this is my fault for not taking it in to get an oil change. Maggie can't take full responsibility for the car breaking down. There's no way to know that the car wouldn't have broken down anyway. There are many factors that lead to a car breaking down. What she could think instead is, it is stressful for my car to break down, but it is relaxing to know it isn't my fault. So when you catch yourself personalizing, just remember, you can't control the outcome, you can only influence it. So now you know all 10 cognitive distortions, but you're probably wondering, what's next? Where do I go from here? I'm adding a bonus lesson to lay out the next steps in your headfulness journey. You've learned all this great information, and the next lesson will tell you what to do with it and give you a clear goal for moving forward. Congratulations on getting through the course. Click subscribe if you're feeling good, and let's all try to have a little more headfulness.